Now, let's take a look at this question over here. Alright? Now, this is going to be slightly different than all the previous example because all the previous example, they gave you the ratio and the actual amount. But in this case, if you notice, the question gave you the ratio, but they did not give you the actual amount directly, right? They just tell you over here like Non get 28 more than Moira. So let's try to construct our table based on all this information. First, I'm going to underline. What do I see? So I see Moira and Non. They are two people over here and they share some money in this particular ratio. Alright? So let me write down all this information. So I know there is Moira and I know that's Non. Alright, it's a person name. And I have my ratio here. It's 3 to 7. Okay? And then this next sentence here is going to be very important. Alright, that is my actual amount. But in this case, they didn't give you directly. They said that Non get 28 ringgit more than Moira. So in other words, we can think about this that whatever Moira's get, Non will get 28 ringgit more. So whatever Moira get, so let's just say Moira get an X amount of money, which is an unknown. So, but we understand from this statement that whatever Moira get, she will get 28 ringgit more. So in this case, it's going to be X, whatever Moira's get, and she will get 28 ringgit more. Alright? So how do I construct this expression over here is based on my understanding of the question. Alright? So now we're done with that. Let's answer the question. How much money do they each get? How much money do she get? How much money do she get? Alright? So again, with this, we have our ratio. We have made our table. We have our fraction here. And we can now construct our equation and solve what's X. So let's do this very quickly. So I'm going to do this over here. So I'm going to have 3 over X is equals to 7 over X plus 28. Okay? Now take a look over here. This is a long one, because 7 over this one is my denominator. So we're going to do the same thing. Like all our previous example, I am going to take this and I'm going to bring this up to cross multiply it, and I'm going to take this as well. Now again, this is X plus 28. If I would like to bring this, I am bringing the whole thing up over here. Okay, so what do I get now? So what I will get is this right now. So I will get X plus 28. I'll put a bracket there, and I have this 3 over here. And this is equals to 7. Alright? Now, over here, what does this mean? Expansion, right? This one multiply this one multiply this one. So let's do that. So I have 3x here plus 28 times 3. I will get 84. Alright? So this will equals to, okay, this x, I'll bring this up. This will equals to, 7x, right? Now what do I do here? I have an equation over here. Now I'm going to collect like terms. When I say like terms, it means bringing the family together. So how I would like to say it, I have two families over here. The x family and the number family. Alright? I'm going to put the x family together and I'm going to leave the number to family by itself. Alright? So I have x over here. So I'm just going to bring this over here because this is number family. So I'm going to have 84 is equals to 7x minus 3x. Okay? This one I bring over here. It's going to be minus now. Alright? So what do I have in the end? 84 is equals to 7 minus 3 will give me 4x. And then x is going to equals to 84 over 4. Alright, and that will give me x is going to equals to 21. Right? Now, based on this calculation which I have done, what does this calculation tell me? So in the end, I get my value of x, which is 21. So it's basically telling me Moira have $21. So how much money do they get? So again, ... Therefore, Moira has RM 21. And what about non? We understood that what non is always 28 ringgit more than Moira. So it's going to be x plus 28. We have found the value of x, that's 21 plus 28. And true enough, that will give me RM 49. Okay, so that's the value that Moira gets. Alright. Of course, again, just to show you something, alright. So we are done with this question already, yeah? But this is just something extra, just in case if you just want to know more about this actual amount ratio. Actual amount over here, like Moira and non, Moira, she gets 21 ringgit, and non, she gets 49, right? So take a look at this number. Moira have 21 ringgit, non have 49. We can simplify this, right? They have some common factors. So my common factors here are 7. So if I 21 divide by 7, indeed I will get 3. 49 divided by 7, I will get 7. So that's my ratio. Alright, that's my ratio. And true enough, correct. Okay, done.